Look at my perfect.
This is his game.
No, you missed the worst part. You missed the worst part.
I like when he put his hands on his hips.
So you guys leave.
I don't want to watch my friend leave. I don't want to watch my friend in the skirt. I'm
That
sorry.
just got turned on, so.
Oh, thank you so much for recording this. You better go on Facebook. Hold on.
Here, you record it.
Yeah, well, at least I'm getting perfect, bitch. Oh my god. Alright.
Very proud of
Sheed, you're a faggot. Work those hips, bitch. Want to see those legs spread? Work it, girl.
I'm all sweating out.
Oh, I bet. Oh god, Facebook's is gonna love this.
Oh, I got 2 stars.